Hi, I'm Roy Murphy. You're watching the Bitconnect YouTube channel. Coming up in today's video, trading in Bitconnect. Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Roy Murphy. Welcome to the Bitconnect YouTube channel. In today's video will be a very quick video. We're talking about trading in Bitconnect. Now, one of our team members of Team Smurf kindly sent me today $10 for one of our Bitconnect calculators. So what we're going to do now is go through the process of investing that. So that $10 now held in my Bitcoin wallet, I'm now going to go through the process of trading that. So we're going to buy some Bitconnect for the Bitcoin that I've got in there. So let's scroll down. So we've gone over to this tab here, the second tab down, which is the market area. And it shows you what's escrowed, what is your unconfirmed balance, and what your totals are. So you see my totals in Bitcoin here and my totals in Bitconnect there. So if we scroll down, you've got the markets, you've got the 24-hour highs and lows, the last bid, fairly simple. So we go to buy, sell Bitcoin. You've got two areas here. So if you scroll up here, you've got buy and sell BCC. So you can buy Bitconnect coin over here, and you can sell Bitconnect coin on the right hand side. So if you go down and you look at the selling orders, you can see the live charts. Now if you don't really understand, or you want to understand this, there are two ways of doing it. Now these icons here aren't fully functional. These areas are supposed to be one-click buys. So if someone has got something they're buying and you want to sell, you should be able to click that, and it should just be an instant transaction there and then based on that bid. So the figures here on this section are what they are is your ratio of Bitconnect coin to Bitcoin. Now I don't know if you remember, but in another video we have looked at this area, the ratio of BCC. So some people seem to get worried that when they bring in Bitcoin, that will the performance of Bitcoin be any better holding it in your Bitcoin wallet, or would it be better to bring it into Bitconnect and use it there? Even if you don't do anything within the system, if you don't do any trading, you don't do any selling, you don't have referrals, and you just leave it in there, historically Bitconnect has always outperformed Bitcoin because it's so tightly tied to Bitcoin because of the trading. You come in and you go out in Bitcoin. So you can tell by the charts, if you look at all the history of the charts on the market caps, you will see how closely it is related. But the most important part is this ratio here. Now I've been going now, I'm on day 50. When I bought in Bitcoin, which is now at $5,673, was at $4,500, and it dipped to about 3,002, and it came up, it went up to 5.7. It's been in the last few days. So some people would think, oh, hang on a minute, if I'd have just waited, I could have bought more Bitconnect coins for my money because now the value of Bitcoin's gone up and I must have lost out over the last month. Well, that's not the case. When I bought in, it was at 0.027%, and now it's gone up to 0.034%, and it's growing roughly nearly every single day. So the value now has gone up. It's gone up about $60 in the last week. So it's now at $193. Earlier on today it was at $200. It's dipped a little bit. So now is a good time to sell my Bitcoin and buy some Bitconnect coins. So if you look at the live orders here, so you've got the live buying orders on this side and you've got the live selling orders on this side here. Now what you will see, there's a tabbed bar. So this tablature here is pages. This is historic pages, and the way everything's tabbed, on the left hand side on the buying orders, it will be most expensive first. So when you're buying, it will have the highest rate going down to the lowest rate. So you can see that as you go down, it goes lower, and then if you go to page 2, that page is lower as well. So all of the bids in the history of all of the buying orders on the left hand side are ordered highest first. Okay? And then it's the opposite on the right hand side. So on the selling orders, you'll have the lowest first. So say for instance I wanted to sell some Bitconnect coin for Bitcoin. What I'm going to do is I can either take the latest, which is this figure up here. This figure always at the top is the latest figure. So this latest figure, if you select that in this box here as the last figure, if we highlight and then go last, it will populate this area here with the very latest figure. So if you sell Bitconnect coin with the one-click button here, what that will show you is you will sell that almost instantly, because the first person wants to buy get the best deal. And if it's the best deal and it's the right ratio, then they'll buy it straight away. So that's the quickest way of selling, and we'll go through that process in a minute. You can also edit these numbers around here by changing it from last to bid. So you can bid or you can ask. Now, they're very different things. Now, the easiest way of doing it is to say last, but what we're doing today, we're not selling, we are now buying Bitconnect coins. So we need to go over this area here. So the last bid, let's click on last. Find the drop down menu. So the last figure here is 0.343243. So let's refresh that. A little bit slow, and now I'm going to put all. So my all in my Bitcoin is 0.0017, and we're now going to go buy Bitconnect coin. Click, and we confirm. There you go, BCC buy placed. Now, if we scroll back down now, we should get live figures. Now, when that figure there, so you see you've got a little icon over here with the world on it, or the actual, I actually thought that was a planet icon. I thought that was the Earth. It's actually, it looks like the Earth. It's actually the Bitconnect icon. So wherever the Bitconnect icon is, over here or over here, it means that this is your live trade, and you can have multiple, you can have hundreds. So what we're doing here is waiting for somebody to pick up on this area here. So we'll see how long this takes. Usually it's pretty quick. Depends if the market's going up or down, and the markets seem to be just dropping a little bit. So as people put in new trades, if it's lower or higher than yours, people want to buy high. Or people want to buy low and sell high. So that's the idea. That's how the markets change. That's how this figure changes all the time. So we're just going to wait, see if anybody picks it up. There you go, it's gone. So I think with the JavaScript that is used on this website, it should be indicated at the top of the page straight away. And there you go, Bitcoin wallet has gone to 0, Bitconnect wallet is there. So escrowed 0.17, so it's still escrowed, and we're just waiting for that to go across now. So that will appear in the Bitconnect wallet. So let's just make sure that has actually gone, not dropped onto page 2. So let's see if it's actually gone. No, it's still there. Why is it still there? 0.343. Let's see what's happened there. Maybe it's dropped down to page 2. Maybe the market has dropped and it hasn't actually gone through. It's actually on page 2. Page 3. Page 4. Our system seems to be pretty slow. There's a lot of... No, it doesn't seem to be there. Let's try and refresh the page and see if that actually works. Let's refresh. No, the system's very slow today. There we go. 0.0575. So it's just refreshed and it's just gone in. It's moved from escrow, so it takes a couple of seconds to move across. And that is how you trade in Bitcoin. And it's the opposite if you want to buy and sell. So there you go. That's how you move Bitcoin into Bitconnect. Pretty easy, I hope you say. Join me again in the next video. I'm Roy Murphy. You've been watching the Bitconnect YouTube channel, and I will see you very soon.
This video was brought to you by Team Smurf. We bring you new videos each and every day. To join our team, click the referral link below this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and interact with us in the comments box below. Bitconnect, creating wealth for everyone.